Hello and welcome back. For this video clip, I'm going to show you how to clean your portafilters and baskets. Let's take a look at what you should do after each brew. Use a knock box to dump all the coffee puck in the basket. First, I use a brush to brush away any loose grounds, then wipe it off with a cloth. When clean, I park it in the group head to also keep it warm and out of the way. You might ask, should you rinse your portafilter and basket after each brew? It is not necessary, but if you have time, by all means do it. Rinse with water and dry. At the end of each day, make sure you do deep cleaning. Failure to do so might end up with your portafilters discolored, harder to clean, and shorten their useful life. Here's what you would need: a commercial espresso detergent or any mild washing detergent, an espresso cleaning brush. Just as you would clean the espresso machines, you should also pay attention to the portafilters. There's a lot of coffee oils in them which could accumulate over a period of time. Using a metal bowl or a sink with a stopper, put the detergent in. Pour hot water. Dissolve the detergent. Put all the metal parts of the portafilters in and make sure all the parts are under water. Do not sink the portafilters' plastic handles under water as they might get corroded over time. Soak for about 20 minutes or so until the water cools down. Use a brush to clean the parts. Make sure you clean the spouts as well. Rinse with clean water and let them dry. Reassemble and put the portafilters back to the group head overnight. Do not soak the portafilters and baskets overnight. For those that have not been cleaning their portafilters regularly and dirt have accumulated almost beyond recognition, I would recommend to use a stainless steel cleaning cream. I have this commercial brand here which is perfect for cleaning my pots and pans and would work for my portafilters too. Use a brush with a bit of the cream and also a soft sponge to rub the dirt off. Make sure you rinse them well and if necessary, sterilize with hot water. What you get are sparkling clean portafilters ready to brew those perfect shots.